This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 24 Exception Handling II. In the previous module, we discussed the try-catch mechanism for exception handling in Java. Now, we will explore additional features beyond the basic try-catch blocks. Java allows us to use multiple catch blocks to handle different exceptions that may arise from a single try block. For example, we can catch null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, and array index out of bounds exception separately, providing robust and specific error handling. Alternatively, a single catch block catching the generic exception class can handle multiple errors occurring in the try block. This approach is useful when the specific exceptions are unknown during coding, but targeted error handling with multiple catch blocks is preferred. Java also provides a finally clause that executes regardless of whether an exception occurs or not. This allows us to perform cleanup actions or inform users about errors and next steps, as demonstrated in an array indexing example prone to index out of bounds exception. Programmers can explicitly throw exceptions using the throw clause in Java. By creating a custom exception class inherited from the exception class, we can throw objects of this class when certain conditions are met, giving us greater control over error handling. Java also allows us to declare multiple exceptions that a method may throw using the throws clause. This is useful when our method has several potential exception points, such as creating a data input stream object or reading from system.in, as shown in our example. While we have covered many exception handling concepts, there are still numerous other exception classes defined in the Java Lang package that programmers should be aware of. The next module will delve into how users can define and handle their own custom exceptions. In summary, Java's exception handling features, including handling multiple exceptions with a single try using multiple catch blocks, the finally clause for cleanup actions, defining custom exceptions, and declaring multiple thrown exceptions, provide programmers with flexibility and robust error handling capabilities. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.